Hello, friends. Hello, everyone. It's me, Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of 5, I'm a meditation guide, and I'm the author of a few books on meditation and motherhood and a brand new children's book. I am so glad to be here with you today, leading a meditation. I hope you'll take this time, whether you're watching this live or in replay, to sit with me for something a little different and very special, a little bit different from my regular meditations because it's not necessarily going to be a guided meditation where I bring you through a visualization or one where I offer a bunch of mantras for you to repeat and remember. It's going to be more of what I believe meditation is for, quiet contemplation of a single thought or an idea or a feeling, a persistent feeling, a repeated thought, something that you just need to work out on your own, or today with a little bit of help from me. This meditation is inspired by a young person who is close to me in real life. We were having a conversation, a pretty deep conversation about the future. And this young person said to me, you know, when you were young, you got to look forward to the future. You dreamt about growing up and what you would become. And even though you were in a really hard situation, a bad family situation, you knew that one day you could be free of that and you could create this life of your own and you would have that freedom to decide. And for me, when I look to the future, this young person was saying, I feel dread. I'm afraid. I'm afraid because of what the world is becoming, of the limited choices that I'll have. And it was so hard for me to hear this because I didn't have an easy answer. I couldn't just say everything's going to be all right, everything's okay. All I could muster was, I get it. I hear you. I can't imagine how hard it must be for you at this young age to know so much, to feel so disillusioned, and to be so afraid of the future. And to be completely honest, I'm afraid too. But what keeps me going and what keeps me moving forward is a love for humanity and an understanding that we're here to take care of each other, and also this insatiable curiosity, this limitless, boundless curiosity I have about learning new things, meeting new people, going new places. So yes, the future seems scary, but, and what today's meditation is about, I am so grateful that I get to be here for my siblings on this planet, to receive love in my life, and to learn about so many new things. So today's meditation is a meditation for gratitude in troubled times. Hopefully you'll find a way to feel just a little bit of comfort, peace, calm, joy in this moment if you've been struggling. I'm going to invite you now, if it feels comfortable and safe, to close your eyes. And if you'd rather keep them open, you can focus them softly on a spot across the room, an object, a spot on the floor right past the tip of your nose. Get yourself comfortable in your seats. Wiggle into that spot that feels easy. Try to release as much tension as you can. So if you can sit up nice and tall, that's great. If you find that physically uncomfortable or you're not able, that's cool too. But settle into the pose by just breathing your shoulders up to your ears with an inhale Exhale, release your shoulder blades down along your spine. Just rolling them back. One more time. Inhale your shoulders up. Exhale, release down along your spine. And settle. Check in with your breath. Your inhales and exhales as they are in this moment, not trying to change a thing. Easy and natural and effortless. Observe your inhale as it enters in through your nose or your mouth, travels down your throat, into your heart space, into your belly. Let your belly be soft. Observe your breath as it moves up and out with your exhale. Continue this pattern of following your inhales and your exhales as they travel in, through, and out of your body, moving energy through you, reminding you that you're alive in this moment, reminding you that you have a choice to feel peace and calm, that you're doing that now. And that no matter what's going on in the outside world, outside of your body, you have this moment. Sit with that for a moment. Sit with that and think about what that means. You are here. You are here now. There are so many things that you don't have a choice in. There are so many things that you don't get to make a decision about, but right now, this moment shows that you are at least powerful enough to sit still, to find peace, to visit your breath, and to express gratitude for the opportunity to be here in this body, in this place. This peace that you feel, this moment that is yours, has meaning. It is not an accident. It is centering you in the knowing that you have meaning and that your life is no accident, and that there is possibility, real possibility, that the best moments of your life still lay ahead, that the most difficult moments of your life are behind you, and in that knowing, in that possibility, you can go forward with more confidence, with joy, with curiosity, with a feeling of being limitless, or at least less limited, that you have things to offer, love to give, experiences to behold, love to receive. And all of that feels so good. Bring your attention back to your breath. Notice if and how it's changed. Notice any sensations in your physical body. Notice how your shoulders feel, your heart space, your belly, your gut where your intuition lies. Acknowledge your breath moving in and through and out of your body again. Moving energy. Reinforcing your aliveness, showing you that you are here now. This moment is yours. You choose how it goes. Try to take deeper breaths now. Moving energy more intentionally through your body. Maybe swaying back and forth, side to side. Waking up your fingers, wiggling your toes. Feeling centered and grounded in this moment. Knowing that you can return to this state at any time you choose by just closing your eyes or softening your focus, visiting your breath, sitting in stillness, and understanding that no matter what lies ahead, no matter what has happened in the past, this moment is yours to choose, to be still, to shift your focus and your mindset, to be centered and grounded, to embrace what you know. Big breaths, gentle movement. And as you become more awake, slowly, gently, focus your eyes or open them to return to the space. Thanks for joining me at this odd time, in this odd place. I'm in a hotel room in Connecticut right now. But I just wanted to check in with you because it's been so long. Remember to leave your comments and questions and requests below. Find all the information on how to connect with me and my work in the video description. I say 3 times to affirm, just to make it real, and so that you take it in. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you. I'll see you soon.